Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at small PDF. More specifically, we're looking at how to go from a PDF to Excel. So as you can see right here, I have a PDF, and this is just for the year and number of home runs that were hit in that year, but it's PDF and I cannot edit. So what you can do is go ahead and select PDF to Excel. What you'll need to do is choose the file here. You could also go ahead, and I'm going to do it this way. I'm just going to drag it in and drop. Give it just a little bit of time. And now you'll see that you can download this. Give it a little bit of time and open in Excel. And sure enough, here it is, and you can enable editing and go ahead and adjust what you would like to. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.